The following are instructions for installing Hyper-V using the interface on Windows 10/11 operating system. Need reboot computer. Login and check Hyper-V Manager interface. In addition to installing Hyper-V using the UI, we can install it using PowerShell. On Windows 10 and 11, we can install Hyper-V using PowerShell/DISM, Enable-WindowsOptionalFeature, or DISM/online/Enable-Feature. On Windows Server, we can install using the Install-WindowsFeature command. Thank you for watching.